In this video, we are going to see installation of PySpark in Windows. First, we need to download and install Anaconda in our local system. For that, we need to open a browser. Let's open a browser. You will go to this website. You can see a free download option available. Click on this. Click on skip registration process. So we will click on download. You can see it is getting downloaded. It will take some time. So you can see now Anaconda has been downloaded. I will open Anaconda now. So it will ask me to run the program. I will run it. Click on next. Agree the terms and condition here. And this just me recommended. Click on select all user here. Click on next. Click on register Anaconda 3 as the system Python 3.13. Clear the package cache upon completion. Click on that. Now we will click on next. Click on next. Finish. I'll search for Anaconda. After Anaconda is installed, now click on search bar and search for Jupyter Notebook. Click on Jupyter Notebook. So you can see now Jupyter Notebook is working. You can click on file where you want to create a project. You can do that. Now let's install Spark. For installing Spark, we'll open command prompt. In the terminal, we'll write the command pip install Spark. Here it is showing pip is not recognized as internal or external command. So for that, we'll just see in control panel whether Python is installed or not. So Python is not installed in the system. So now pip to run, we need to install Python also. Click download Python from here. So it is downloaded. Now I'll open it. I'll run the program. I'll click on add Python DX to path. Use admin privileges. Click on install now. Click on yes. So here it is showing setup was successful. Close it. Now open CMD again. Type the command pip install Spark. So as you can see now Spark is getting downloaded. So here you can see the messages came successfully installed Spark 0.2.1. After installing Spark, now we'll go to installation of JDK 17 download. So you can see Java SC 17 archive downloads. Click on this link. So you can see here multiple files are there. Search for Windows 64 installer x64. Click on this download. Now we'll click on next. Click on next. So you can see here it is showing Java SC Development Kit 17 successfully installed. Now we'll close this. Now first thing we'll do the set the environment for the Java. For that we will click on search bar. So here you can see edit the system environment variables is showing. Click on this. Click on environment variables. You'll see your Java home is already mentioned. So I'll just browse that file which I have just installed. JDK17 I have installed. I'll just click on that. Click on open. Java variable name should be Java home and variable value should be this. So in the system variable, I will go for the path and edit it. So I'll select go for path, open it, click on path, edit. So here I'll just add Java path. So click on new backslash bin, click OK, OK, OK. We'll open command prompt cmd. You can just open Jupyter notebook. You can see it is getting started. It will take me to the Jupyter Notebook UI interface. So here I'll just create a folder, new folder. You can create folder here like this. Open the folder.